So in this video, we're now gonna work on liking our comments. So for example, here this post allows commenting, so I can add a comment here. Then if I add this comment, it will be shown here. And here on the right, there will be a heart icon which allows me to like or unlike this comment. So let's work on this feature first, and then we'll go later to the other comments in our post view. So here, let's go back to our code. Let's open our item. So we use Livewire post. And in here, we can simply go to the top, to the actions, here where it says heart. We copy all of this. All right, well, we're simply copying this one here. So after we copy this, and we can go down to our, where it says auth comments, here, show auth comments. And in here, you can see we have a heart icon again here. We can just replace this with the code we just copied. And then here, let's just change this here to 3. Okay, and then here, make sure that this you change it to a toggle comment like. And then here, we're going to create this method later, but also because this is a comment and we have a lot of comments, so we're going to have to pass a comment ID to this method. So in here, we're going to pass something like comment ID. This comment ID is coming from this for each loop in here. So now let's go ahead and create this method in our component. Say item, this one post. In here, let's create a new function. We can just simply copy this like that. This one will be toggle comment like. Right, in here, we're gonna get the comment model. I'm not sure this is important. And then after that, we're gonna pass the comment ID. This will just inject the comment and then fetch the comment model for us using the ID we're gonna pass from here, this one. All right, so now inside here, instead of this post, we're going to remove this post from this method, and here just pass the comment. All right, now here, if you check the blade file, here actually, before we proceed, since we copied this, let's make sure that here is not post. Here, make sure that it's this comment, like that. All right, after that, now we can go ahead and check our page. Now, if I refresh this page, right now here, you can see I added a comment down here. Right here, I can like and dislike this. It's working fine. You can see here I can like and dislike this, which is perfect. But this has fallen out of order. So let's go ahead and make sure that we add the CSS back. All right. So here we have nested buttons, which does not really work well. So here, make sure that you change this to span elements. These ones to span. All right, and now if we go back, all right, now awesome. Now this has gone back to the right, and now we can like, dislike this comment. Here I can add another one. You see, I can also like this one and dislike it. That's working fine. Now let's go to the next one, whereby when we click here, we also want to add the like and dislike comment for our post view. So let's do that. So here we can simply copy this thing, all right, this if statement. All right, and let's go to our, let's start with a comment. This one. In here, this is the like. Just replace this SVG with this new one, comment. And this is a comment partial, so we don't need to change anything in here. We already have the comment. After adding this, now let's just go to the item in our post view. In here, we also have to add the same kind of method as in here in our post. So let's copy this comment and follow me on this one, guys. If you get lost or if you get behind, just make the video slow or go back to check it again. So paste that. So no need to change anything in here. Okay, so here in the comment, if we go back and try to just refresh the page, see, I can open that. See, now I can click here, like, and dislike the main comments, like that. It's working fine. But if we add a reply here, for example, hello, the reply is not really working. So let's go ahead and add a functionality to the reply. So now, here in the comment partials, we can simply copy this if statement again, and then go to reply in the partials. Here in the like, same thing. Let's just replace this with that. But In here, since this is a reply, make sure that you replace this comment, for example, here, hold Alt, here, and here, replace with reply. Right, so here we can pass this reply. The reply is also a comment, but when we send this to the toggle comment like, it will still go to here and then gotten as a comment model because the reply is also a comment, just like a normal comment. So now, if we refresh this, here I click there, here I can add a reply, like and dislike my reply. I can like my comment, like my comment. So that's working fine. One last thing here before we close, since here you see it's showing static data. Now let's make this data dynamic. Right, so in here, if we go to our reply first of all, here where it shows likes, let me collapse this to the next line. Here, let's just copy the same thing we did here, okay, in the post model, this post like. Okay, let's just copy this, go back to our reply, and simply remove this span element inside. Let's just paste that, remove this p span and that. All right, now before we proceed, make sure that we replace this post here, there, and there with reply. All right, same thing, just copy this inside this span. Let's go to our comment here, scroll down, remove this likes, next line, paste it there, and then here let's just change this to comment. All right, now if we go, let's close this, refresh the page. Here, if I pull it up, you see that the ones without a reply is not really showing anything. And then here, if I like this, now it's showing 1 like, which is good. We don't want to show anything like 0 likes. Okay, that's not convenient. So here, if there's no like, nothing. If I like, it will show. Dislike, it will go away. Dislike, it will go away. Same for everything. All right, so now here, just for closing, here in the top, let's add wire key. Here, say comment, here, ID. I'll copy this wire key, go to the reply in the top here, add the same, but change this and this to reply ID. Thank you guys. I think that's it for this video. See you in the next one.